Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got a hot topic for you, quite literally. We'll be taking a closer look at the TDAGRO Heat Gun for crafting, a versatile and powerful tool that's making waves in the market. If you're into crafting, DIY projects, or just need a reliable heat gun for various tasks, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned to find out why this heat gun is being hailed as the best heat gun for candles and a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Let's dive right in. Now, let's talk about what sets the TDAGRO heat gun apart from the rest. First and foremost, this heat gun boasts a whopping 1800 W heating motor, which means it can reach temperatures of up to 1202 in just 1.5 seconds. That's incredibly fast heating, allowing you to get your project started in no time. What makes this heat gun stand out is its versatility. It offers 7 variable temperature settings and 2 fan modes, giving you full control over the heat output. You can adjust it as low as 122 for delicate tasks or crank it up to 1202 for more heavy-duty applications. With these options, you can handle a wide range of projects with ease. To make your work even more comfortable, this heat gun features an integrated hands-free stand. This feature ensures stability during extended use, reducing fatigue. Plus, it comes with an overload protector, preventing damage to the heat gun and electronic circuitry, adding an extra layer of safety. Don't let its compact size fool you. It's 20% smaller than other models in the market but packs a powerful punch. It's perfect for a variety of applications, including shrinking heat shrink tubing, wrapping, crafts, heating PVC, cell phone repair, car wrapping, and even removing paint or floor tiles. It's a versatile tool for any DIY project. The TDAGRO heat gun comes with 4 different nozzles, making it easy to handle any scenario. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, their customer service is ready to assist you. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what users have to say about this heat gun. Many users praise the TDAGRO heat gun for its exceptional quality and performance. It's ideal for tasks like heat shrinking window tint and even reshaping car parts, thanks to its rapid and reliable heating. If you're into crafting, this heat gun is perfect for you. Users have found it to be an excellent tool for various crafting projects, including torch paste work and drying paint. It's a game changer for DIY enthusiasts. Users appreciate the adjustable temperature settings, which allow them to tackle different projects effectively. Whether it's a low-temperature job or a high-temperature task, this heat gun has got it covered. So there you have it, folks. The TDAGRO heat gun for crafting is a powerful, versatile, and reliable tool that's winning the hearts of DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its fast heating, adjustable temperature settings, and compact design, it's no wonder why it's being hailed as the best heat gun for candles and various other applications. If you're looking to take your DIY projects to the next level or simply need a dependable heat gun for your tasks, the TDAGRO heat gun is worth considering. And with its competitive price, it's an investment that pays off in spades. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you've already used the TDAGRO heat gun or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting and DIYing!